Hey, you are caught in the continued unit of the verb part 3. If you haven't seen the first two parts of the verb, then you can just click on the link specified in description box. Okay, let's begin with the action verb of occurrence. Now, what is an occurrence of verb? Basically, occurrence means an action which we develop, such as become, change, appear. Well, let's quickly take an illustration on it. Maria became a professional dancer. Here the verb become clearly states occurrence of Maria as a professional dancer. Okay? Next, let's say IT aspirants have brought drastic change in technology. Lastly, we can think of the sky that appears dark at night. Perhaps it emphasizes that during the day the sky appears bright and at night it appears to be dark. So, appear resemble occurrence here. That's all about the action verb of occurrence. Well, next part will be held on state of being. Do keep watching.